In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete WooCommerce. It's a simple process, but it's important to approach it with care to ensure you remove all related data safely and accurately. Whether you're redesigning your site, switching to a different e-commerce platform, or simply no longer need the plugin, deleting WooCommerce is a task you can manage confidently after this guide. Let's start by heading over to your WordPress dashboard. This is your central hub for managing everything related to your website, so it's the first place we need to be for any modifications or updates. Once you're there, look to the sidebar that contains all your navigation options. Now, direct your attention to the menu on the left-hand side of your screen and find the Plugins section. Clicking on this will direct you to the page where all your installed plugins are listed. If you're like most WordPress users, this area might be a bit cluttered with various plugins that power different functionalities on your site. Don't worry, we're just focusing on WooCommerce for today. Scroll through your list of plugins until you find WooCommerce. It's usually easy to spot thanks to its distinctive icon and branding. Once you have located WooCommerce, we're going to take a very important step, which is deactivating it. Why is this important, you may ask? Deactivating a plugin essentially pauses its functionality. This step is vital because it helps ensure nothing on your site gets disrupted as you proceed to delete the plugin. And it also helps prevent any errors that could occur if you delete a plugin while it's still active. To deactivate WooCommerce, simply click the Deactivate button that you see next to it. This action will pause all WooCommerce functionalities on your site, but it won't affect any of your data just yet. Once it's deactivated, you will notice the option to delete the plugin becomes available. Now, go ahead and click Delete. This will completely remove WooCommerce from your site, including all its associated files. It's important to note that depending on your configuration, some WooCommerce data might remain in your database, so if you wish to remove every trace of WooCommerce, you may need to delve into the database using tools like MyAdmin. However, that's a bit more advanced and something you might want to consult with your web administrator if you're not comfortable doing it yourself. And there you have it. You have successfully deleted WooCommerce from your WordPress site. Remember, when making changes like this, it's always a good idea to back up your site before you start, just in case. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide was helpful as you manage your WordPress plugins.